Right, so to unlock the O20 Boost, O plus and minus, O plus, and that's changed, O minus, and that's on 28, it's unlocked, old information, I forgot. To relock it, O plus and minus, O plus, and now O minus, and now it's relocked.